morning students. Today we are going to a new lesson about the story of the past. So the lesson is highlights its history, its meaning and its importance and historical evidences and its sources. So let us know what is meant by history. So history is a way of bringing the past into the life in the form of story. So student, what is history? History is a way of bringing the past into the life in the form of story. Just like storyteller, a person who writes, a person who collects various pieces of information from the past and tell us about the past events in the form of stories. So what is history? It is a way of bringing the past into the life in the form of story. Just like storyteller, a person who collects various pieces of information from the past and tell us about the past events in the form of story. So let us know what is meant by history. History is a Greek word. History is a Greek word, means history is a Greek word, means historia, which means recorded knowledge of the past events. Which means recorded knowledge of the past events. So the word history is derived from the Greek word historia, which means recorded knowledge of the past events. So what do you mean by history? It means recorded knowledge of the past events. I just repeat, it is a way of bringing the past into our life in the form of story. Just like the storyteller, a person who collects various pieces of information from the past and tell us about the past events in the form of stories. Now let's differentiate between the history and the historians. So history is a Greek word which means recorded knowledge of the past events. Now next learn what is meant by history and historians. So history inform us about the events that took place in the past. About the events that took place in the past. So what is history? History informs us about the events that took place in the past. It also tells about our story. It is the story of our past. It is the story of our past. So what is meant by history? History informs us about the events that took place in the past. It is the story of our past. So who is historian? Historian is a person Historian is a person who study and writes about the history, who study and writes about the history, about the past events or history. The historians also, he also compiles a chronological, chronological events of records. So he also forms the past events into a chronological order in the form of records. Events happen. So who is history? What is history? History informs us about the events that took place in the past. It is a story of our past. Who is historian? He is a person who studies and writes about past events. He also compiles a chronological events of records. So I just repeat, what is history? History informs us about the events. So in any events நம்ம pastல நடந்துச்சோ அதெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடியது தான் history. Okay அம்மா? It is a story of our past. நம்மளோட past story தான் history-ஆ இதாகுது. Historian is a person who studies and writes a past events in a events. He also compiles a chronological na year by year, month by month என்னெல்லாம் ஆச்சோ அது வந்து சீரீஸாக ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறது தான் chronology. ஓகேவா? Then history also tell us about the changes that taken place in the communities, nations and the world over a period of times. It also our history also tell us about the changes in the communities. So என்னென்ன changes வருதோ அதெல்லாம் சொல்லும். சொல்லக்கூடியது தான் history. Changes in the communities, changes in the nations and the world over a period of time. So அந்தந்த பீரியடில் என்னென்ன நடந்துச்சு அப்படிங்கிறத சொல்லதான் history. So history also tell us about the changes in the communities, nations and the world over a period of time. So then what happened? It also forms a link between the present and the past. Link between the present and the past. So present ku past ku or link irukku. Okay va? Then history also tell us about how our present is influenced by our past. So history also tell us about our present. நம்மளோட present வந்து எப்படி இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கு பாஸ்ட் வச்சு. ஸோ அந்த இதுவும் நம்மளுக்கு சொல்லும். ஓகேவா? history also tells about the changes in the communities, nations and the world over a period of time. It forms a link between the present and the past, and it also tells us about how our present is influenced by our past. Okay va? Then for example how our present is influenced by our past. For example, if we are living in a free country, for example, if you are living in a free country because of the efforts and the sacrifice made by many rulers, many Indian leaders and the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and Vallabhbhai Patel. So because of them we are now living in a free country. It is It is because of the efforts and sacrifice made by the great Indian leaders and freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel. So these are the leaders, Vallabhbhai Patel. So these are the leaders who gave their life, they sacrificed their life to get India free. So we are living today in a free India. So I just repeat what we learned. History inform us about the past, events that took place in the history. It is our story of the past. Who is historian? Historian is a person who studies and writes the history. He also write it in the chronological order. Chronological order means the events in a series wise, in the year wise, in the month wise. So according to the chronological order, he keeps the record. So that he is known as historians. Okay, va? Historians. So now we are going to learn. History is also forms a link between it also forms a link between the present and the past. It also forms a link between the present and the past. So it also helps us to enable to shape our future also. It also shape us to it also enable us to shape our future. Enable us to shape our future. So for example, we are living in a free India because of the sacrifice and the sacrifice of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and Vallabhbhai Patel. So now we are going to move to learn about what are the advantages of history. So advantages of learning history. First one, it is the study of the, what is the advantage of us? It is the study of the roots of our past. It also fulfills our desires to know about our ancestors, ancestors means நம்ம முன்னோர்கள். So முன்னோர்களை பற்றி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Through history we can know about the desires of our ancestors. Ancestersனா முன்னோர்கள் எப்படி வாழ்ந்தாங்க, என்னென்ன லாங்குவேஜ் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்க, என்னென்ன ரிலிஜன் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்க, என்னென்ன ஃபுட் அவங்க எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க, அதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஹிஸ்ட்ரி மூலமாக ரெக்கார்டட் மூலமாக நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். This is one advantage. Second advantage, it enables us to learn the learn the mistakes from the ancestors. It also enables us to learn the past mistakes of the ancestors, so that we do not repeat the same in the future. So that we do not repeat the same in the future. So the first advantage, it fulfills our desires to know about our ancestors. Ancestors na முன்னோர்கள் எப்படி வாழ்ந்தாங்க, என்னென்ன ஃபுட் ஐட்டம்ஸ் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்க, என்ன ட்ரெஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க, ஸோ அதெல்லாம் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட், இட் எனேபிள் அஸ் டு லேர்ன் த பாஸ்ட் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ancestors. ஸோ என்னென்ன மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் அவங்க பண்ணாங்களோ அதை நம்ம பண்ணாமல் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ தட் we do not repeat the same in the future. The third one, it gives an opportunity to get inspired by great achievements done by our leaders or rulers during that period. So we get so what are the third advantage? We also get an information about the rulers and the leaders and what are the achievements they have done during that period. That also we can learn it through the past history. Okay, well, so first point, it is a study of the roots of the past. It fulfills our desires to know about our ancestors. It enables to learn the past mistakes. So என்னென்ன past mistake ancestors பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ அதை நம்ம வந்து repeat பண்ண வேண்டாம். So we do not repeat the same in the future. Repeat பண்ணாமல் இருக்கலாம். It gives an opportunity by the great achievements done by our leaders and rulers during that period. So அந்த பீரியடில் என்னென்ன லீடர்ஸ் இருந்தாங்க, என்னென்ன ரூலர்ஸ் ரூல் பண்ணாங்க, அது எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து பாஸ்ட் ஈவெண்ட்ஸில் we can see. The next one point, it helps us to understand the people living in a particular era means particular period. Era means period. So it helps us to understand the people living in a particular era. Era means in a particular period. During that period, it also gives information. It also gives us the information about the kings and the queens information about the kings and the queens who ruled that period. So the next advantage, it helps us to understand the people living in a particular era. Era means in a particular period, and it also gives us information about the kings and the queens who ruled that period. Next one, it also gives the information. It also gives us the information about the language spoken in the olden days, religion they follows. So next advantage, it also gives us the information about the language spoken during that period and the religion they followed during that period. The next advantage is, it also helps us to understand our custom, its origin, and the tradition, that we are followed till today. So the history also help us to understand what are the customs and its origin and the tradition. In the tradition நம்ம follow பண்ணோம் அப்படிங்கறது எல்லாமே we can learn it through history. It is still we are following the same traditions and the customs. Okay, we have learned history and its importance. Now we are going to see the one words in that. First one, history inform us about the events that took place in the dash. Once again I repeat, history inform us about the events that took place in the past. So it gives us about the events that took place in the past, inform us. The second one, dash forms a link between the past and the present. Dash forms a link between the past and the present. Yes, this history forms a links between the past and the present. Third one, history enable us to learn from the past mistakes of our ancestors, முன்னோர்கள். So it enable us to learn from the past mistakes made by our ancestors. Fourth one, history help us to understand the dash of the people living in the particular era. The dash of the people mean the lifestyle of the people. So we can know about the lifestyle of the people living in the particular era, means during that period. Era means period. Okay, this is the fill-ups. I just repeat, history inform us about the events that took place in the past. History forms a link between the past and the present. It also enable us to learn from the past mistakes of our ancestors. History help us to understand the lifestyle of the people living in a particular era. So find the names of the famous monuments of India. So this in a jumble words. So you just find, say, what is the first one? See, T-A-J, Taj Mahal. The first one is Taj Mahal. See the second one? What is the famous monument? R-E-D, Red, F-O-R-T, Red Fort. The second one was Red Fort. See the third one? O-L-G-E-D-N, this golden, and it is temple. So golden temple. These are the famous monuments of our country. The next one is Qutub Minar, which is in Delhi. Okay, Qutub Minar, the famous monuments in Delhi. And the last one, see, it is India, and this is gate. This India Gate. So these are the famous monuments of India. First one, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Golden Temples, Qutub Minar, India Gate. So next topic, we are going to learn the historical evidences and the sources. In that we will learn about the inscriptions, monuments, and the literary source and archaeological sources of our past. So this fill-ups, home assignment, you take it as home assignment. The home assignment for today, learn and write fill-ups and jumble words. Thank you.